In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Golden by Harry Styles. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. Golden, golden, golden as I open my eyes. Hold it, focus, open, take me back to the light. I know you were way too bright for me. I'm hopeless, broken, so you wait for me. Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you got your ukulele and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, there's a chord chart available for Golden, and you can find it in my ukulele songbook, which also contains chord charts for every song that I've taught through this channel. So check it out. Link is in the description. And finally, I want to give a special thanks to my friend Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Next, there's two chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major and D major. Now, if you already know how to play those two chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. And the last chord for the song is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the second string of the second fret. This is D major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Let's play through that string pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 4 turns of the string pattern, and then D major for another 4 turns of that string pattern. Let's take these elements and play it all together. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, D major, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, 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 down, up. And now let's take that chord progression and the string pattern and play it a little bit faster. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, down, D major, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Golden. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Golden, golden, golden as I open my eyes. Hold it, focus, open, take me back to the light. I know you were way too bright for me. I'm hopeless, broken, so you wait for me in the sky. Brown, my skin just right. You're so golden. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. You're so golden. I'm out of my head and I know that you're scared because hearts get broken. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Golden. And that's You Play Golden by Harry Styles. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a big shout out to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase my signature ukulele. It's called the TUC UCU. It's available for purchase worldwide, and if you want to get your hands on this ukulele model, then check out the link in my description box below. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to check out my ukulele songbook, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.